Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to make education website on WordPress. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the education website, first thing that we need to do is to go inside the appearance, and inside the appearance we have to go inside the themes. And in the themes we have to add a new theme here. In the themes we have to search for Zakra. Alright, so let's just click on install. Okay, so now what we need to do, we have to go inside the plugin and click on the add new plugin. And here we have to install a few plugins. Okay, so the first thing that we need to install is Elementor. Okay, so as you can see here that Elementor is already installed. So after the Elementor, we need to install the form by WP. Alright, so now as you can see the average forms here. So we have to install this. And after this, we need to install theme grill demo importer. Okay, so let's click on the install now. And in the last, we have to install WooCommerce. So WooCommerce is already installed on my WordPress, so I have to update this. Alright, so WooCommerce is updated. So now we have to go inside the install plugins and we have to activate all the plugins that we have installed. Alright, so the first plugin is actually the Elementor, which is already activated. And after that, we have average form. So we have to activate this one. After that, we have theme grill demo importer. So let's check this. And in the last, we have the WooCommerce. Okay, so now let's go at the top and we have to click on the bulk actions and we have to select the active. Click on apply. So this will activate all of these three plugins. Okay. Alright, so our plugins are activated now. So now what we need to do, we have to click on appearance. And from here, we have to activate the Zakra theme. Okay, so let's click on activate. Now you will be able to see option of demo importer. Okay, so we have to click here. And here in the demo importer, we have to import the education. Okay, so let's click on import. Click on confirm. Alright, so we have imported the data here. So now what we need to do, we have to go to our website from here. So let's click here. And here you will be able to see the education website. Okay, as you can see here. So we have the homepage, we have the about us and the courses, mission, career, fee structure and contact us. Okay. Alright, so this is how we can create an education website here. And if you want to customize this with your own data, all you need to do is to click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, so as you can see here that we are inside the Elementor editor, and from here I can actually customize our education website. Okay, so if you want to add anything in it, you can simply add it. And if you want to edit the current elements, you can simply do it. So for example, if I just wanted to customize this text, I would simply click here. And from here, I can simply change the text from here. Okay, so build your career at, let's just write down my institution. And if you want to change the alignment of the heading, you can simply do it. So if you want to align it to the center, you simply click here. And if you want to align it to the right side, you simply click here. Okay, so that is how you can do the alignment here. So right now I would simply go back to the left alignment here. And if you want to do more customization on our heading, you simply go inside the style. And from here, you can change the text color. And if you want to change the typography, you can simply change it from here. Okay. And we also have the text stroke and text shadow. So if you want to edit this, you can simply do it. In the similar way, if you want to edit the paragraph here, you simply click here. And from here, you can simply edit the paragraph. And if you want to do some styling on your paragraph, you simply go inside the style. And you can see this, we can do the alignment from here. We can do the text color. We can do the typography. And in the last, we have the text shadow. Okay. And if you want to explore multiple settings of our paragraph, you simply go inside the advanced. And from here, you can set the margin. You can set the padding. And we have the width, and you can also see a lot of the different options here. Okay, so you can explore these options by yourself. And after that, we have the button. So if you want to customize the button or change the text of the button, you can simply do it. So all you need to do is to click on here. And from here, you can simply change the text of the button. You can change the link of it. And we can also change the alignment. And we can also add the icon here. So if you want to add the icon, you simply click on the icon library, and from here you can simply search for the icon that you want and then select it, and in the last we would have to insert this. So for example, I just want to go here with this check icon and click on the insert. Now you'll be able to see that check icon is inserted before our text. So if you want to change the position of the icon, you can simply do it from here as well. So if I just put this after, so this would be after the enroll. So this is how we can play around with the button here. And for the styling, we can go inside the style. And if you want to explore more options, you can simply go inside the advanced. Okay. So if I scroll down, now you will be able to see we have the heading and the paragraph again, and we have the button. And after that, we have this image. Okay. So if I just click here, you can see here that we have the image here. So from here, I can choose the different image. All I need to do is to click here. And from here, I can simply change the image from here. And if I just close this, you can see that we have the image resolution. And if you want to change the alignment of the image, you can simply do it from here. And if you want to add the caption and link to it, you can simply do it from here. For styling, you can simply go inside the style. And from here, you can change the value of the width and height. We have the opacity, we have the CSS filters, and we also have the border properties. Okay. So if I scroll down, you can see this, we have these three different sections. So if I just click here, now you will be able to see this. This is the icon box. So in the icon box, we have the icon, and after that we have the title and we have the description. Okay. And if you want to change the styling of the icon box, you simply go inside the style and you can explore the different options that we have in the icon box. Now just scroll down to the new section. So here, let's just click on this. And now you can see this, this is the image box. So image box works similar just like the icon box. Okay, we have the image and we have the title and we have the description. That's it. And if you want to change the styling of the image box, you will simply go inside the style and you can simply do the styling from here. And if you want to explore more options, you will simply go inside the advanced settings. So if I scroll down, you will be able to see that we have this register now section. And after that, we have this counter. So if I just click on this, you can see this, we have the counter and you can simply customize the value of the counter from here. And if you want to do the styling of the counter, you simply go inside the style and you can do the styling on your number or the title. Okay. And in the last, we have this testimonial section. And after that, we have this footer. So if you want to add the new section here, all you need to do is click on this add new container. And here you will be able to select the structure. So if you want to go with the one column structure, you simply click here or here. And if you want to select the two column structure, you will simply click here. And if you want to go here with the 4 column structure, you can simply click here. Okay. And you can also see these other options as well. Okay. So this is how we can customize our education website in Elementor. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.